my dog now was of Agben compare apology. Me met even me a boy when you were near pay the dinner no, Pimbo Bay. I'm a yola pado. A lego messinam there. I'm yola pado. Then you pay the dinner no. Let the pink kayame. 21st century. I'm a yola pado. A lego messinam there. I'm yola pado na me pay the dinner no. I feel never. I'm a betola citro le do pion. Vonyate pe meleu. Elego mesinamde nyate pe manomena mi afa security man ngogo. Elego mesinama nyate pe manomere mi afa security man ngogo. Tanu imedi be mi akpo egbenye be. Amenene ele Ghana. Ameku amene de mekpo be. O chode nyate piete. O chobe ne nyate piele la kama mi ayingo. Yo le mi afa nwedi cho gbedegbeke. Elego mesinamde. Aha. Eya medi be mi akpo egbe. Na mi akope afotope na mi adotowe mi akpobere ayin na mi anango gbedede mi aluma nango gbedede mi amegbanto imediwe ma fonutun anye mi ato Jerry John Rawlings mi ato Jerry John Rawlings amogbo na be amesenwure no nya delaire menya dela view anyo vonye be soja ya anyo Elego mesenama miato Jerry John Rawlings efonu de tepe yo todo nya tepe ji ko to de fuma ko gato va seregbe amiechi gake ma po chichile hu Elego mesenam de amiechi vo gake mabe ma po chichile hu Elego mesenama ma po chichile hu gba meno video do meka me wo video le va yi vonye me we abiare ojebe ma wo yata onye be mega tre cover nyame ma no fuchun e wona ma be Ghana to le na debu mi dasi le NDC plan pipi hu mi ato Jerry John Rawlings de amado onye na mi yi me jebe Ghana ne fe kuli kula ha e va pobere amado le mi afru e va pobere amado le lem domi ya lo bun ko yo be communist world day wa wonye America wa wonye Britain we elego mesinama na onyebe country anwan alo edu anwan ya onyebe wa ho pepere ucho yo gbore ekema moral condition wa kona we moral condition ya wa kona we no finye elenye pondi ade mebe Jerry John Rawlings number 1 brave man on earth. Number 1 brave man on earth from the beginning till the end. I'm yet chiga ke mega ponu popo ntore. Ele ba bia sebere. Ami over pere miaw. Yo vo over pere miaw. Mi ho independence. Over pere miaw some way somehow. Ya onyabe mi le election was on. Mi le free and fair election was on. Nothing. Free and fair election omelo tano nyebe ruling party les zidira business de siade yi opposition wala wa wi which is the plan of the communist world o yu ale Italy e va blow the same thing nchomega kpabega le tax ele ebuku le gbomele yi ya va to ameome mega kpobe mi ase onu popora mi ase mi auto Jerry John Rawlings penu popoda the enya yo blood the same thing ya gava blood elekoyone o gava blood Italy whole interview about the communist world are killing us ya o dogbebere na onyebe you can Christianize me if you be na anya atro me manye Kristo to kwa chere make a westernize mo westernization de anya mi ato premier mi no premier no view enyo no view ere odro da data call yi be weave on onabo bo susu po na ko ho ta mi cover de we leko ene dry amere kaka ga dede you think different ekwa you think different na wona ma ba bia se be electronic system yimile za academy le sisile ro me kwa chere it have side effect on us mi ato Jerry John Rawlings le gbogbo bere ma no gbedo ma tegbere fuma e le gbogbo bere communist world wa wele mi awo hati agbe ole no no opposition ta no vinya me call fefe kula o mi abon ku bia mi ase onyan yo oglo da ala be mi ale nku de mi ase nyan tututu oglo ala fefe
treacherous and rather betrayed our aspirations. In effect, what I'm trying to say is that as bad as an enemy can be, I think something worse than an enemy is a traitor. We've ended up evolving in the process of trying to modernize. We've ended up being westernized to the point where, as I sit here before you, when I wanted to even name my children African names, heroic names, I'm a Catholic. The Catholic Church, or that character you're back at home, said no, I cannot. They'll have to be Catholic names. I mean, those Catholic names. Something, Chief, if we can learn to be bold enough to know the value of truth in our society, then we will have justice. Without truth, we cannot get justice.
It's in your body. I bet communist world. Ya ga gbo me bere. Mi abe de die no. Be mi apen go gbadi yide. Mi awo de ka, mi agbo nya tefie. Ele go me sinande. Mi agbo de ka mi ato nya tefie. Cheta je be mi gbo de ka na mi to nya tefie. Cheta nya tefie mele dodo. Afi onyebe eya mi ato jeri jongbo nya re. Ebe o bribe na party citizens. Communist world they wa bribe amewe. Bribery and corruption they wa cover. Wa he Guyana meya be propaganda wa he Guyana meya machina we mi ato Jerry John Rawlings blobere. No nye be nya tepe ma do de no go poli. Ele go mesina ma. E blobere Antoine Yosi. Ne ma nyo kwa de Antoine Yosi e ve o le bo mi ato Jerry John le blobere no go poli fma. If the court doesn't believe me, take me to my village. We will have a shrine there. If you have been na Bible, me fona na Korano, me fona na Nadeko, vono vabe vanya nyate pieto po nyebe, mi akwa mereko ide dongo pore, amia ai. Amia to nyate pe. Okay, ma suggest no ya. Ma va o video chon. Why are we swearing? No kata nyebe mi ava swear. Ele go mesnama no kata nyebe mi ava swear le Bible pe Quran ya nyebe traditional belief ile mi asin me le swear le won ele go mesnama cheta ele go mesnama de cheta mi aba traditional belief ile mi asin mi atogbo bosu boy cheta me because over fia me be e ya nya busan pe machina we na jipo de lere o mele yigbe o. You are not going to heaven. Nyala chichinawe. Heaven de kemela si wona bo yigbe o. Because me posoro o history o. Nya jojo yo jova iro me posoro. Ame yo ko Bible cover na me wa wele mi awuwu la gbe ya me. Nya tefia de kai na gbe ko le free. Ele go me sinam. Ame yo le mi awuwu de wa wenya me yo ko Bible cover na me. Na mi abe politician we. Wa vai swele longopo alo wa kono gopo ko ide court be mi abe politician no swele mi abe politician they will run away from their duty. They will desert their duty. I am telling you, our politicians, they will desert their duty where if they should swear in Nogopo or they should swear in Antoine. Melek blone na nyabere mi ato Jerry John Rawlings de enya tepia mava war. I will put it as a challenge. Once he is still alive, it is never too late. We want to see Nogopo in our court. They should take it and let the judges also swear. Man, maybe Anas is there. Anas is not supposed to even do that work. When we have a simple means to justify our system, when we have a very simple means, Anas chop. Check time Anas chop. If our politicians can swear in our God, my brother, people will run away from their duty. You will give them posts, they will desert it. Because they cannot take bribery and corruption. The bribery and corruption will cease. ele go me sinama me de ka gbo che me le po amade magbo amevela yi me po be. He's fighting for the truth and he said he will die for the truth. He will die for the truth. Eh anyameka Honorable Kennedy Japan. Ale go me sinamde magbo nya reka Honorable Kennedy Japan enyamade he is very brilliant. Ale go me sinamde elle est very brilliant. You me call fefo. Nchore elle est very brilliant. But me dasi le politics we are looking at the well-being of Ghanaians. We are looking at the well-being of our society that we live. Remember the number one killers of our country, our industry, are the importers. Because the importers were there. Omedibe you are tasi obodo. Obe undudune for the issue. Tana phone China all the world. Omele ready bere. Miabe country de miawo phone. Already made in Ghana, but all the touch I don't know business have and the communist world are also supporting it. Had they been coming sleep for the rest of our life. Kuku make blow kuku ya watch it abona make blow nya. If we can manufacture watch here, we will not need the help of the white. Honorable Kennedy Japan, he said he will die for the truth. And you know why he's going to die for the truth? Because of you and I. Had they water? Because of you and I. My brother, we have to wake up. If you speak the truth, but the youth are tired of going to church and go shouting. See, I am a Christian. I believe in the Bible. Bible is very good. But there are portions that are very nonsense. If you read history and you compare it to the Bible, you will not believe Bible. I'm telling you. History and Bible does not meet at all. What do we call it? Abraham Bemoshi will say that it's a comic book. Let's listen small about what Kennedy Japan said. Honorable Kennedy Japan is very to the extent that I'm a bottom the truth is one. When you speak it, you are free. And the truth shall set me free.
They are ready to die for the truth. They are not scared of anybody in this country. The truth shall set me free at all times. They are ready to die for the truth. They are not scared of anybody in this country. The truth shall set me free.
And I go me sinamde. Feel like quality honorable phone. McDonald, Novian, Miyaji Wato. If we don't change it now, we will be there and they will be killing us one by one. Nchome wonyo video de ponicho export only play import food that is export only. Me ponicho export only ego menye bede. Mi atowe. Nu dudu ode mazen le do omo. Mi awe kona me bubu we no do. Cheta onye sibe. Ya never le make flavor, me le make wole Ghana. Eva le ya play o me le wole Ghana. Matches play o me le wole Ghana. Cheta e. Elego me sinam de nyate pia de kai e ya gbo me nyate pia de ya gbo me na we. Elego me sinama. I've counted number one person, the number one brave person who is speaking the truth is Jerry John Rawlings. Mia ton. Number 2 is Honorable Kennedy Japan. Number 3 on my list, the most truthful people and faithful and loyal and patriotic citizens like Ghana Dukomere. Number 3. Number 3, Evangelist Adai. Cheta jebe mayo Evangelist Adai leme. Evangelist Adai de obeta boy blene vota bomi blene lo. Ne le kude machina we. There's no one single de po. Even science wona mi nyabe amesia me pleta gbogbo video le. Amesia me lagbe amede tagbo gbegble video le. Sigbo china mi ma. Tamachina we no nyebe Evangelist Adai o tagbogble mi de. We like it that way. His madness, let me speak English here. The madness of Evangelist Adai, okay, is the wise of the so-called brilliant people who are calling him a mad person. Ame yobe Evangelist Adai tagbogble nere. Any human being, let me say it again from my point of view. Any human being who point at him or who point at Evangelist Adai. Benuka, he is mad. I am saying that the madness of Evangelist Adai pem tagbok bebe. Eya nye ope nyansa. Eya nye ope common sense. Eya ope the brilliant side of them. The madness of Evangelist Adai is the brilliant side of those who are calling him that he is mad. I am telling you the truth. The man is reading Bible and giving us the meaning of Bible, because our forefathers don't know how to read the Bible, yet it was given to them by their colonial masters. Let me tell you something. Somebody who even who towe, who know leva ijra, ya ko Biblia ko na be jifu de, go de lef ma sika lef ma ajagba oko we. Ne ifuma o ma favio nu dudu meleo do wa memeleo vote on va wuto we le ko vai you vai so whole history la vai so my blood is boiling nyo vule fefie alakpa ahacho too much. Jesus and Jehovah has never appeared. What do we call it? Abraham Bemoshi is challenging Jesus to appear. He's challenging God to appear, to speak. God has been silent. We cannot read book and continue this nonsense. We cannot continue reading that book, even though it makes sense. Bible makes sense. Bible serves some solutions. It keeps human beings calm. And now me appelle Jimé. Bible de donyonto. Vovoin le Bible amede. Menyanu vieux. Yeme glo ben ko Bible ebere. Evangelist Adai obel yine ko Bible ko pugbe. Ebe yi Evangelist Adai the man called Biblia he will decode it. He is Efiabenuka. Nya wagwa yole mere ya adeto. Ya nya tepeche ele deto ya ta chichine bene dasile agbale o. Ma dasile o. Let's listen to him. Mi do to me na mi adoto e. Me de kuna mi atawe yo mele yevu gbedo de me. Mi ko kemsia because na me di be ma de go ma ekpobe yo ya pete yo vo through me. It's also one of the wickedness against our life. Bene me di be ma de na de go me na we kwa be me de na mo. The better expression is in English. Go me de na nya me be ma gbo na de yevu gbe me. Hade bo nye be yevu gbe fa gba lo won va na mita. Hey Biblia vare the old government in English translated it into Twi, into Ewe, and other languages. Be we na Ijipo yevo po Jipo basically ifma we ifma. Vomi ape sika yo le kukule Ghana. They look at our road, look at our hospital, look at the way people are suffering in Ghana. Na we ya ide Jipo de mebe edafu. If there's somewhere we can go, it is reincarnation that I believe in. Maintenant me bere mag ne pa your previous video maintenant bi ataloji gbobi brafenya. I preach about Jesus 2,000 years ago, about 400 years ago. White man was able to come to Africa 2,000 years ago. Ya Jesus school 2,000 years ago. Ya Jesus school. Ya Jesus ba here me ohun ko dagba le me ko dade ya kokla 400 years ago. Over le mi atowe pletu cover ijrana me bubu. Over let me over now the US, Britain, Portuguese, so the same thing. The French, the same thing. They are not different. Mega Vunko. Let's listen to Evangelist Adai. Let's go on. I'm a gedome ponya or medibe me ano me have no video. Now, especially when you listen to Tree. Don't joke with that guy. Evangelist Adai is one of the brave men in the country. The young ones who are coming.
Asante hene me oncheme asante hene wa utie me woncheo corruption eni ehunehuna waza enso abrafo bia waza no makofa ko akubunsa no makogu menhia ho no makokom sa ko akubunsa no makom hwenim koto paracetamol kura ko akubunsa ni bi Mama yenye sa nkwasi asem ni mfiri Ghana. Na Ghana man yenya tie ade no, yensa tie ade. Na yetimi de yeti na dwene. So that we will be able to move forward. Ati ase na akonya kwa yenso akonya. Yese astum for ati akonya so. Na ma penti money black. Akonya na nya hwema yen. Yenso akonya. Eni pe kom di nipa yenso akonya. Ati ase
Elle est comme un sinamde. Ta ame suswe. The number 4 on my list is Avram Ben Moshe. Avram Ben Moshe. Avram Ben Moshe, who was once a Muslim, became a Christian, joined the Jews and follow up. Better research. No problem. People are man. They come out of interview because you never man a professor of Bible. Yeah, you know. Elego me sinamde. Work correct research no. Me atowe. Nese evangelist Adai penu popola. Wanyabe he and wamevie yakple Avram Oledeka. Vo eleme baba amesia me differences anome. But the differences is not what matters. Le vevede. Anya be mi ame yo le nu sere chemi na ochon. Elego me sinama chemi na ochon. Nyatafia de kai. Nyatafia de kai. Tamale gbogbo. Let's listen to Evangelist Adai. Avram Ben Moshe. The man is so energetic. And he's looking for the liberation of our minds. Liberation of our mindset. Liberation of mental slavery. Psycho slavery. I don't know which nyemenyanko kamaneo. Miabo susu de. O bla miabo susu. Bla miabo susu. Machina yo vobere. Mawi wo mi de. Mau swewe wo mi. Tamita si yobo mau subo. Miabe mau subo subo. Na mi ba subo yobo mau. Cheta mi aba subo yobo po mau. Ele go mi sinama. Cheta mi aba subo yobo po mau. E go mi ya si jipole. Ya si sikata ele didibe aba no suka obodu me. Machina we. Avram Ben Moshe is challenging God. Ele chichina ma obere ne lede America me china obere azidodio. Ne lede America me china obere tasi anigbaga keke. No me gaga bag no da gbale me bere Jesus be ma dasila megbeton ma trust le un pa be wa tro awo. We are ready to hear from God direct. Let him speak to us, not a book from our slave master. Na donku President Ronnie Scratch Gbonya de me. Bere yibe ya na ivi name, African name, a heroic name. Ya name nko gbati, nko hoati. Nko hwasi de. Ogbenai. Be Roman Catholic because of church you have to name. So now they have to westernize you. That is why most of our politicians and our leaders and our brothers in a hot sun when Africa is very hot. You see an African man wearing coat because he's been natured to wear coat. Because if you are not wearing coat, you don't fit in the society. My brother, you can wear coat to hell with your coat. To hell with your tie. Are you getting my point? To hell with your tie. What are you talking about? Me adoto, Avram Bere. Nobody forced God to shut up. God, if you want this 1,000 of denomination that Christians are claiming it belong to you. I make bonyade. Bene Roman Catholic to why ide jipo de. Apostolic to oma ide jipo. White Cross to oma ide jipo. Green Cross to oma ide jipo. Yellow Cross to oma ide jipo. Hadebenunka, we have differences. Because in some churches you are not supposed to wear weave on. In some churches you have to wear weave on. So which one are we following? Who is speaking from God? Who is speaking from Jesus? I told you the last time. Bede, me no nyo domere, me vale bishop de, me vale chewa le kwa me de ovi, 100% naked le beme, zame. Ele o soli medelo, bishop ma ele o soli mede, me lo unku me pome nyabere ele o soli mede. Bishop ma de me bede ele o soli mede. Let's leave these young guys. Let's help them. Mi na mi konku nkume sese nyatafia de kaine blakwevo men enye de challenge mele ma una nyebere enye bishop de amolete abe million we bishop followers are about 1 million over voya me va lele gbeme gbenyo nu via me dovi e da le dodo plio ele chile na yo mega kamo ele go me sinama mega kamo aha enya ila sinyi magbre ma mega kamo vonya te pia de kai e kwa nya te pia de kai ame ibe ile jipo mo fia were e ya mi la gbe mi no Machinawe Avram Bemoshi, let's listen to him. Me do to it. Let me say, we melo YouTube pore. Jagba na vai dile YouTube. Avram Bemoshi, Jagba na vai dile YouTube. Ale vevede. Jagba de na vai dile YouTube. Ale vevede nyama koblewo. Ale go mesinama. Ale vevede. Because they are passionate about our patriotism. They are passionate about growing. We want industry in Ghana. Yami for Yameli praising Jesus and other people. You go and waste time in a church 24/7. Nenya brother Lakracha is far better. There is nothing good for you. You are not stepping in heaven at all. But evangelist Adai globally, we are going. The people who are going is just 1,044 or whatever it is, or 1,440, whatever number they are putting there. I don't give a damn to that number. The only thing I want you to do, go and read your history. Voter Star Radio, Edeblu, me no ho to nami, me global history nami, ma governor independent 6 match emami doing job. 6 match emami doing job. Me man not do for waste too. Our beloved country is free forever. It is never free. Our beloved country there is never free. Make more free oh, mental slavery, mental politics. Hey, I want me. Make blavai. Elego mesinama. Make blavai. Make all the fefe crowd. Elego mesinama. Make all the fefe crowd. Enya ila sinye magbo ma. Me ado to evangelist adai. Me ado to evangelist adai. Mega ngombe o jagba. Subscribe. Ma ba konu vovovo because me apɛ de die no dey agbok pomere. Me apɛ de die no. If we can manufacture in the country, if we can work hard in the country, we don't need the help of any white man. Let's listen to Evangelist Adai.
Akukuduru na me wono obi eni bi ogana hwe. Me jeni kan odifo bi eni wiase, odifo bi eni ho. The concept of prophecy is a lie. Nyankopon bi eni bebi oyi bibi chiro bi eye wan. Nyankopon menim ni power stop on se onye ku e ma na nkasa. Nyankopon na no bete soro. No ka se e real sin the preach na ko Pentecost wa aka tun dai. Any you pray books, any books in the contopa. Friend, and think remove one church and nature say, we are Christoni, one better in Cremuson, and Gia to say, Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet. No one Gia said the Quran is divine. No one G and Cremuson and Yasala. On some Jebi Albekum, and according to Islam, a Christopher and because upon some Jenny. According to Islam, Waji Allah and the Prophet Muhammad to one. Over Christopher say, oh, Obra Kro send me a hint, oh, what is send me a hint. No one years we need, I know years much, I read years on them now. Nayambo with Sua, Ochabekum, not just according to a Christopher, then Cremofoina, Ebeco, a Christopher on some check. I say, the Yamisha, a Yoba in Cremosunimu, a Christosunimu, no picture. Christos from Baco, over 40,000 denominations.
Okay, my call. Me shop do to nya yo bro. E pare ofonu plem o video pete he's so passionate, so patriotic to the country. Mi adenye gba lola enu yin wa kwasia.